Hi there, my name is Matt Stevens with re-zish.com, and today we're going to take a look at how to find your Google Place ID. Most entrepreneurs at some point are going to want this Google Place ID to do a variety of things. The biggest one that comes to mind is connecting some kind of social proof widget to your website to where whenever a potential customer comes to your website, it's going to pop up and say, hey, here's the amount of reviews we have that's attached to Google to prove that you're a trustworthy business. But what if that doesn't show up? It could mean a number of different things. It could mean trust with that potential customer isn't established as quick as you want. It could mean loss of money, and it could mean that your revenue goes down. So it's important to get this in place. And this is how we do it. So you may have searched already for, how to search for your place ID. And you go, hey, I went to the place ID finder, just like Google said, and I couldn't find it. So this is a different way to do it. And here's our real-time example. It should be easy, not stressful. It should take like 2 minutes to do this. And here's how to do it. So the example we're using today is VETER. We're going to use a company that we're working with right now. It's called Veterans Home Inspection. We automate the review process here. It gets you noticed. It gets you more people looking at your business, and it actually bumps you temporarily for every review you get. So what we want to do for our place ID is we want to go down on the Google card to where it says write a review, and we want to right click on this button. And when we right click on the button, we're going to click inspect. So once we click inspect, if you've already tried to do this, if you've failed this at some point, already trying to search it in Google, this is the easy way. So don't let any of this scare you. What we're going to do here is we're going to simply click on Control F, right? Which means Control Find, right? Or Control F. And then it's going to open up this box, this long box here. It's going to be a little bit shorter if you are collapsed a little bit. So what you want to do is go ahead and expand that out a little bit, and it'll say find by string. So we're going to type in, and you may have already seen this before, but data hyphen or dash, I'm not sure what that's called, PID, right? Your place ID. Again, if you're not already expanded, if you're collapsed, go ahead and expand it out. You can see here in this search bar, it says 1 out of 1 search. So we're going to scroll to where we get a good view of what's highlighted here. It's going to say data-PID equals open quotes right here, close quotes. Everything in this is your Google Place ID. When you find your Place ID, you right click, how do you basically get exactly what you want without grabbing all this other stuff? Because if we click on this, it's going to highlight all this, and we don't want it. So what I like to do is I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click on edit attribute right there. Okay. And we're not going to edit it, but once we click on edit attribute, it's going to highlight our place ID, and then we're going to right click on it again and hit copy. You can click somewhere else once you've copied it. Just real quick again, you click edit attribute. It'll highlight specifically that. You'll click on copy or Control C, and that will give you your place ID. So that's what you're going to use. And this is exactly how you do it. Like I say, it should take a couple seconds to do this, a couple minutes to do this. It shouldn't be more than 10 minutes. If you're like me and have searched for, I was actually thinking about calling Google to do this, but if you end up searching too long, this is the answer of how you do it. Right? So if you want more tips or more DIY info, or if you just want it done for you, go to re-zish.com for more information, and that's REZISH.com.